Today we are looking at what is a multiplication table. A multiplication table is a really useful tool for memorizing our multiplication, number simple multiplication, for learning what multiplication is and how we can best use it in our math class. So let's just get into it. You'll notice that in multiplication table, they're all designed the same. You have a top row of numbers. In this case, it's 1 through 12. You also have a first column. Again, 1 through 12. Now, what these numbers are, the top column and the first row, are the numbers that we're multiplying. Let's say we have a problem like 7 times 6. Now, we can use this system to find what 7 times 6 is. But how? We have to use this. Now, if these numbers, the top row and the first row and the first column, are the numbers we're multiplying, our answers, our product, is here in the body. Okay, all these numbers. And what do these numbers mean? These numbers represent the multiplication tables. This is all the numbers times 7 times 1 through 12. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, so on and so forth. All the multiples up to 7 times 12 is 84. Now, I have this same thing over here. Sixes. 6 times 1 is 6. 6. Let me use red here. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. And so on and so forth. The nice thing about this also is it helps us visualize what multiplication is. Because remember, multiplication is just a shorthand for adding. A number like 6 times 2 is just 6 plus itself twice. So 6 plus 6. I can see that because here's 6, and 6 more than 6 is 12. 6 more than 12 is 18. 6 times 4 can also be stated as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 4 times, which is 24. So it helps us in a lot of really good ways. You can find any multiplication problem, 1 through 12, again here. The other thing it helps us show is, and we'll get into this more later, is area. Because area is also multiplication. What does if we were to count all these boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth, we would find that there's actually 42 boxes in this box. Okay? It tells us that 7 times 6 is 42. There's 42 boxes here. And we can get more into that later. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope that this has been helpful.